Pandas column of lists. Create a row for each list element. I have a data frame where some cells contain lists of multiple values. Rather than storing multiple values in a cell, I'd like to expand the data frame so that each item in the list gets its own row, with the same values in all other columns. So if I have How do I convert to long form, for example? The index is not important. It's okay to set existing columns as the index and the final ordering isn't important.
Update. The solution below was helpful for older Pandas versions, because the dataframe.explode wasn't available. Starting from Pandas 0.25.0 you can simply use dataframe.explode. Result? PS here you may find a bit more generic solution. Update. Some explanations. The easiest way to understand this code is to try to execute it step by step. In the following line we are repeating values in one column n times where n is the length of the corresponding list. This can be generalized for all columns containing scalar values. Using np.concatenate we can flatten all values in the list column, samples, and get a 1D vector. Putting all this together. Using pd.dataframe, df.columns, will guarantee that we are selecting columns in the original order.
Pandas is greater than or equal to 0.25. Series and dataframe methods define a .explode method that explodes lists into separate rows. See the docs section on exploding a list like column. Note that this also handles mixed columns of lists and scalars, as well as empty lists and nans appropriately. This is a drawback of repeat-based solutions. However, you should note that explode only works on a single column, for now. PS, if you are looking to explode a column of strings, you need to split on a separator first, then use explode. See this, very much, related answer by me.
A bit longer than I expected. If you want sequential index, you can apply reset_index drop equals true to the result. Update.
You can also use pd.concat and pd.melt for this. Last, if you need, you can sort based on the first 3 columns.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.